Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Ford F-150 door panel. Before starting, it is crucial to gather all your tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and a ratchet with 8mm and 6mm sockets. Having the right tools ensures a smooth process and helps prevent any accidental damage to your truck's interior. Safety first, so take your time with each step. Now, let's begin by removing the visible fasteners. First, gently pry up the small rectangular cover panel located in the bottom of the door pull handle. A small flathead screwdriver or a pick tool works well here. Once that is off, remove the 8mm bolt you find underneath. Next, move to the bottom edge of the door panel and remove the two 6mm bolts there. These are often the only visible fasteners. With the bolts removed, it's time to release the main door panel. Use your plastic trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel, starting from a bottom corner. You will hear clips disengaging as you work your way around. Once all the clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the door. Remember, if you encounter significant resistance, stop and verify all fasteners are removed. After lifting the panel, you will need to disconnect the electrical connectors for the window switches and other components. Each connector typically has a small tab to press for release. Also, detach the door latch cable by squeezing its tabs and sliding it out. Take a moment to note how everything connects. Reassembly is simply the reverse process. Ensure all clips align and all bolts are tightened for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.